how to add Gmail account to Mac. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up the mail on your Mac, and for that you can open up Spotlight by pressing command plus spacebar. Then simply search for mail over here and you would see this one. Simply hit enter and it would open up mail for you. Now you can simply add your Gmail account by just providing the email address and signing up to your account quite easily. In case if you have already provided the Gmail account and have logged in and you are not able to add another account and you want to add another account, then just simply select mail over here. Then just simply select this application. After that, you would be able to find the mail option at the top. And over here you get this list. Among this list, you would be able to find that add account option is available for you. Since I have not added even a single account, that's why it is grayed out for me, but for you it would be there. Then you can select add account and then add another account to it quite easily. And this is how you would be able to do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.